Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, yesterday you were given the task to make a table of simple tenses. Now this is the time to give you the feedback. Dear students, this table has been made by me for you. This is present tense, simple present tense. He washes his cycle. वो अपनी साइकिल धोता है. The second word was sell. They sell cloth. वो कपड़ा बेचते हैं. I have used the third word bring, buy. In past tense, we bought books. हमने किताबें खरीदी. Similarly, I have used the second form of give, that is gave. Past in past sentence, you gave me a bag. आपने मुझे बस्ता दिया. In future sentences, she will cook food. वो खाना पकाएगी. Sentence number 6, I will take tea. मैं चाय पीऊँगा. Students, now this is the time of the next lesson, and today we are going to write the sentences of simple present tense only. First of all, this is another table. This is simple present tense. These are affirmative sentences. He solves the sum. She solves the sum. Ali solves the sum. Hina solves the sum. But in negative sentences, just students note the difference in negative sentences. Here is he does not solve the sum. She does not solve the sum. Ali does not solve the sum. Hina does not solve the sum. Dear students, note the difference. He solves, but in negative sentences, he does not solve. Negative sentences, he does not solve. There is solve and there is solves. Note the difference. She solves, but in negative sentences, she does not solve. Ali solves, but in negative sentences, Ali does not solve. Hina solves. In negative sentences, Hina does not solve. Similarly, in interrogative sentences, he does not solve the sum. Does he solve the sum? Does she solve the sum? Does Ali solve the sum? Does Hina solve the sum? And similarly, in negative interrogative sentence, why does he not solve the sum? Why does she not solve the sum? Why does Ali not solve the sum? Why does Hina not solve the sum? But once again, note the difference. Affirmative sentences, I solve. There was he solves, but I solve. We solve. You solve. They solve. Ali and Hina solve. Similarly, in negative sentences, I do not solve the sum. We do not solve the sum. You do not solve the sum. They do not solve the sum. Ali and Hina do not solve the sum. Ali and Hina do not solve the sum. In negative interrogative sentences, do I solve the sum? Do we solve the sum? Do you solve the sum? Do they solve the sum? Do Ali and Hina solve the sum? In negative interrogative sentences, dear students, there is why do I not solve the sum? This is negative interrogative sentences. Why do we not solve the sum? Why do you not solve the sum? Why do they not solve the sum? Why do Ali and Hina not solve the sum? Students, now we are going to translate some sentences from English to Urdu. These are English to Urdu sentences. Translate from English into Urdu. I solve the sum easily. We recognize the verb, हल करता हूँ. Then subject, I solve, मैं हल करता हूँ. Then the object, I solve the sum, मैं सवाल हल करता हूँ. And the PTM, easily, I solve the sum easily, मैं सवाल आसानी से हल करता हूँ. And there are I do not solve the sum. I do not solve the sum easily. मैं सवाल आसानी से हल नहीं करता. Do I solve the sum easily? क्या मैं सवाल आसानी से हल करता हूँ? Why do I not solve the sum easily? मैं सवाल आसानी से क्यों हल नहीं करता? And now we are going to translate from Urdu into English. These are the sentences. वो सवाल आसानी से हल करता है. The verb is हल करता है, solves. कौन हल करता है? वो. The subject, he solves. क्या हल करता है? The sum, सवाल. The sum, वो सवाल हल करता है. And the PTM is आसानी से. He solves the sum easily. This was the positive sentence, affirmative sentence. In negative sentences, note the difference. There is solves, he does not solve. He solves, he does not solve. There is S and there is only solves. He does not solve the sum easily. In interrogative sentences, क्या वो सवाल आसानी से हल करता है? Does he solve the sum easily? And in negative interrogative sentences, वो सवाल आसानी से क्यों हल नहीं करता? Why does he not solve the sum easily? Students, there are 12 sentences that I am presenting to you. These are translate the following sentences into English. First sentence is मैं तैरना जानता हूँ. Second, हम बैंक से हर रोज़ रुपया निकलवाते हैं. नंबर 3, तुम झूठे बहाने बनाते हो. नंबर 4, आप शाम को सैर के लिए नहीं जाते. नंबर 5, अच्छे लड़के दूसरों को गाली नहीं देते. नंबर 6, वो मेरी बात नहीं सुनता है. 7, क्या वो अपने किए पर शर्म महसूस करता है. नंबर 8, क्या आपकी बेटी बड़ों का एहतराम करती है. 9, कपड़े का ताजिर कम नाप क्यों देता है. नंबर 10, परिंदे कब चहचहाते हैं. नंबर 11, क्या वो अपनी गलती मानता है. लास्ट सेंटेंस नंबर 12, क्या तुम साइकिल खरीदने पर इसरार क्यों करते हो. Students, now I have solved 3 sentences for you that I show to you. These are the example, solved example from Urdu into English. हम बैंक से हर रोज़ रुपया निकलवाते हैं. We identify the verb, that is withdraw. निकलवाते हैं, withdraw. Who withdraw? हम निकलवाते हैं. So we translate we withdraw. क्या निकलवाते हैं? रुपया. We withdraw money and बैंक से रोज़ाना. From the bank and daily. Second sentence, अच्छे लड़के दूसरों को गाली नहीं देते. We identify the verb, गाली नहीं देते. Do not abuse. कौन? अच्छे लड़के. Good boys. Good boys do not abuse. दूसरों को. The object, others. And the third sentence, interrogative sentence, परिंदे कब चहचहाते हैं. This is an interrogative sentence and the कब sentence, the word कब is a question word and that belongs to PTM. So we will write the word when in the beginning, but चहचहाते हैं is the verb. Do chirp. We have used do chirp because this is an interrogative sentence. Do chirp. कौन चहचहाते हैं? परिंदे. The birds. The birds chirp. कब? This is the question word. When do the birds chirp? The sentence, and this is the question sign. Okay students, now this is the time to give you some homework, and these sentences, these 12 sentences is the homework, and the difficult words has been translated. This is lame excuses, झूठे बहाने. This is lame excuses. Next, शर्म महसूस करता है, that is feels ashamed. The third is कम नाप. कम नाप क्यों देता है, that is short मैयत. The fourth word is इसरार, insist. So you will write these 12 sentences with their translation on your notebook. Tomorrow I will give you the feedback. Now this is the time to say you Allah Hafiz. Dear students, take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.